This Today Show Minute, brought to you by Taylor King Law.
With Black Friday and holiday shopping on the horizon, stores and parking lots will be more chaotic than usual.
According to a CBS News report, 1 in every 5 car accidents happens in a parking lot.
While parking lots are considered private property, the rules of the road still apply.
And distracted driving is still just as dangerous.
If you're involved in a collision in a parking lot, first, contact the proper emergency services.
Second, take pictures of the damage to both vehicles as well as posted signage and painted markings.
Third, gather names and contact information from witnesses and check with nearby businesses for security footage.
If you hit an unattended car, according to Arkansas Code 27, you're required to locate the vehicle's owner or leave a written note with contact information.
A driver leaving the scene of a parking lot collision is liable for a hit and run.
If you're involved in a collision in a parking lot and have questions, you can always call the Taylor King Law Firm at 1-800-CAR-WRECK.
We'll be on your side, by your side.